how to show or hide the comma key in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general management. After that, scroll down and then tap on Gboard settings. In Gboard settings, tap on preferences. And then we go down and tap on comma key. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on comma key. Here, if I switch it off, and if I bring up my keyboard, it will not show the comma key in here. If I switch it on, it will show the comma key at the bottom here. Here, if I switch it off, you can see it will not show the comma key at the bottom left hand side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.